fish has been cleaned already, and the internal cleansing has been done. And what I'm doing here is just descaling it and preparing to cut it. This is croaker fish. Just spices. This is my unripe plantain, and that is the cut fish. And these are the cooking cube, some pinch of salt, pepper, the pepper soup spice made of a lot of different Nigerian spices, traditional spices with some salt. Now I've put my plantain, cut up plantain in, and I'll bring that to boil just a little bit and add my spices. That's my cooking cube. Give it a gentle shake and add my fish, my croaker fish. You have to be careful so it doesn't get cooked. And now it has come to boil. This food takes approximately maybe 15 minutes, because you don't want the fish to get scattered. You don't want the plantain to get soggy. And here now I'm adding my last spice. We call it scent leaf. It's a kind of mint leaf. It gives a minty flavor and aroma to the food. And I just leave that in, and I take it out of the heat after about maybe 10 seconds at most. And now I've dished my meal. This is a good meal to eat when one is feeling under the weather. There you have it, Nigerian pepper soup.
Namaste, my name is Prabhudev Prakash, and on behalf of Multicultural Matrix, I am here to present a food item. This food item is very famous in Kerala. Actually, it's related to a festival known as Onam. Onam is one of the harvest festival in Kerala, and Onam Sadhya is the main dish in this.
Onam Sadhya is an elaborate vegetarian feast that is served in banana leaf and eaten using your hands. Today we are going to show you each of the dishes in Onam Sadhya and explain them to you in detail. The Sadhya is traditionally served on a banana leaf. Water is sprinkled on leaf and wiped. The first dish to be served are the banana chips and sharkara varti. Banana chips is made by frying banana in coconut oil, and sharkara varti is thick cut banana chips that are coated in jaggery. Next, banana, salt and papadam are served. Then we serve different pickles, mango, lemon and also pulinji. More acidic elements of sadhya are served on the left side of the leaf. Next is cabbage thoran, a simple cabbage stir fry with coconut. The olen is a dish of black-eyed peas and white pumpkin. 2-3 masala dishes are also served in sadhya, like koottukari and erisheri. Next comes the avial, the main dish in sadhya. Here the variety of vegetables are mixed in coconut and yogurt based gravy. We also have a pachadi that is made with beetroot and curd. Kurkugalan is one of the most sweeter dish that is served with rice. It is made from ripened banana cooked with coconut. Then the main course, that is the red rice or else known as matta, is served in sadhya. Paripu curry is actually dal cooked with coconut milk. It is eaten in the first course. Then the next course is eaten with sambar, which is one of the most delicious dish in sadhya. The rasam is also served. Other drinks that is served are water and buttermilk. We have 2 desserts, Parippu Pradaman and Palada Payasam. Parippu Pradaman is moong dal that is cooked with jaggery and coconut milk, whereas Palada Payasam is a creamy milk-based payasam that is cooked with rice flakes known as palada. At the end of this substantial meal, banana leaf is folded towards us to signify that we are satisfied with the meal. Now let us see the making of the Onam Sadhya in bulk amount.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. There's a saying in Kerala that Kanam Vittum Onam Unnanam. It means that one should sell the property even if you have to eat the sadhya. So that shows how important is sadhya for Kerala. So once again on behalf of Multicultural Matrix, thank you everyone.